Hello, here's an activity that you can do at home to investigate your soil type. Soil type refers to the type of soil particles that you have in your garden and can range from clay to silt to sand. Each soil type behaves differently. For example, sandy soil drains well and can be easy to work, but can have less nutrients than others, whereas on the other end, clay soil can be heavy, challenging to work with, drains slowly, but can be full of nutrients. This activity is called a nitty gritty. All you're going to need is a tall mason jar with a lid, something to dig with, and some water. What you're going to do is dig down in your soil and take the soil and fill up your mason jar about halfway, fill up the other half with water, give it a good shake and a swirl, and then go stick it down to let it settle. As it's settling, the sand particles will settle first, followed by silt and then clay, and then organic matter will remain floating. And as you can see in my nitty gritty, I can tell that I have about 90% sand with about 10% clay. You can find out what soil type you have with the nitty gritty at home.